Hey, tank and fold here, and the filling station don't explode. Hey! Hey!
Okay. Please, where is Oga Donatus? I have not seen him for some hours now.
He went to the city.
He went to the city?
Yeah.
Okay. Did he give you my money?
No. He doesn't have any cash on him, and that is why he went to the city.
No now. What is all this now? What is all this now, okay? This was the same thing I heard yesterday. But he still came here today without money. See, now I can wagi. I will not be here tomorrow. So please, I need my money now.
Oh yeah, come and remove the money from my nose, since I look like Donna.
This is what you're saying, okay? Is this what you're saying? Is this what you're saying, okay? Two of you should stop this thing, no? Two of you should stop this thing you are doing. Two of you should stop it. Every time, every day, you will go outside there, you will gather plenty labourer for Gadona. He will make us work, and he will not pay us daily as agreed. It's not right now. Is it because we don't have options? Is it because we don't have options?
Okay, big at our money. We dey talk, they even dey press phone. You can't scatter your phone.
You people should stop this thing, no? You people should stop it, though. Give me my money. You make one move, come say bapo. Pay me. Let me live here.
Bro, spam now.
Wait, bring the phone, sir.
Yeah, calm down. No worry, leave him. After give him money now. Tomorrow, me not.
Okay, talk something now. Talk to you. You even talk anything. They press phone.
Okay, I couldn't now. You name.
Ah, Achike. Achike.
No, you see me, they run. No, you know, I was thinking that you are running from me. But today, I have confirmed it. I'm not doubting it again.
Me? Run from you? For what? I'm only going to my farm to check my traps.
The same farm that I farmed for you 2 weeks ago and still have not gotten my pay? The same farm?
No, Achike, it's not like that. I will pay you.
Okay, no problem. You know, I was on my way to your house. So it's good that we have met here. Let me have the money.
No, as I told you, I'm going to my farmland to check my traps. I don't have your money here. But you know what happened? Come to my house tomorrow. I'll pay you.
That is what I have been hearing for 2 weeks now. 2 good weeks. That is what I have been hearing. So, because I checked the cab, so everybody now want to take advantage of me. Okay?
No.
Because I don't make trouble. Everybody like to take advantage. No. You pay me my money.
Achike, it's not like that.
It's not like how is it? It's not like that. How is it? How is it?
No. Chike, Nam, what happened? You have not touched your food. I know that I prepared it since morning, but that's because I did not know that you will not be coming to the shop. But I have warmed it. It's hot. Touch it.
Mama, I know it's hot. I'm not just hungry.
Has it come to this? When did you start rejecting your mother's food?
Mama, I'm tired. I'm tired, Mama. I cannot continue to live like this. Yeah? I could not finish school because Papa died. I cannot find a stable job to do. And the few little ones I find to do, they owe me. What is it, self? Mama, I'm tired.
I'm sorry, my son. But don't worry. I assure you, things will get better for you very soon.
How do you know that, Mama?
Don't you trust your mother again?
I do, Mama.
Okay. If you trust me, then believe me that things will get better for you very soon. So cheer up. Eat your food. Lien nigi. I worry na.
Thank you, Mama.
Well done, Mama.
Thank you. Welcome.
Yes, Mama. Mama, this money you kept aside, what is it for?
I'm saving money so that I can buy Achike, my son, a new Okada.
Mama, that is so good, though. Hey, you see, all these things you used to do used to make me get jealous. Oh. Yes, now you're making me feel like you should be my biological mother. Yes, now.
You don't need to be. I love you too. You know Achike, he's my only son. And I will do anything on this earth to make sure that he's settled one day.
I understand, Mama. Honestly, I can't wait for Brother Ichike to ride his own Okada. Hey, you sit down inside.
Me too, my daughter. Me too. Me too. My son. Oh, Achike, he has suffered so much. He has done any and everything that he can lay his hands on. Even that Okada that he is riding, it does not belong to him. He delivers all the money to Nonso. I used to wonder, what if one day that Nonso's Okada is no more? Or there are no more menial jobs for him to do? Then what will he do? That is why it will give me great joy the day my son is settled and riding his own Okada, having his own handwork. I will be so happy.
Yes, Mama. But how much have you saved so far?
My dear, I don't even know.
Hey.
All I know is that I'm just piling it. One day it will be complete and I'll be able to buy the Okada.
Don't worry, Mama. With this plenty money, I have faith. we'll make up the money in due time. I believe you.
I do. Welcome, customer. Welcome. Okay, welcome.
What should we give you now?
How work?
Very right, fine.
Okay, rice. Bring plates.
Nonso. Onyike.
Agụ nwoke.
Nwanne. Kekwan.
Agụ nwoke.
And Emekwa, how is today now?
Very fine, oh, my brother. So how was the hustle today?
My brother, it was okay. Oh. It was okay. At least it was better than yesterday. Oh. Yes, so it was better than yesterday at least. So here is my deliver for today.
Yeah.
The key to the bike. I have packed the bike already at your backyard.
All this money for today? Ha!
I have to make. If I don't meet up, who will pay the money?
Achike, you are really doing well in few hours. Do you know that you are doing well more than I do before I had an accident?
My brother, it's God. It's God. Because any time that I'm in that park, every passenger wants me to pick them. All the passenger. Me. So it's God.
The grace is upon you.
My brother, you can say that again. You know what? Let me come and start going now because I need to go and see my Norma before going home.
Hi!
So
Achike, you and this your Norma.
My Norma now.
Me, I go love, oh.
Amen.
I go love, oh.
Amen. I pray for you too, so that you will love.
I already ate a little, so I made this one for you. I know you'll be hungry.
Thank you. It's okay. You need the food more. I can always eat at my mother's place. Let's go. How is sales today?
I've only sold paracetamol to 2 people since morning.
Only?
It's like people in this village don't like getting sick anymore.
I'm sorry, oh. I know I should be providing for you in times like this when your sales are down. I'm sorry I cannot be the man that you want me to be.
My love, but you're the man who loves me so much and I'm happy with it. I'm okay with it.
Thanks, baby.
Please, do you have sipota?
My own has finished though. It finished yesterday.
Okay.
Will you come back tomorrow? I will have it. Okay. People are not buying from me because I don't have what they want. There's no need waiting for the money to be big. When I can just manage the little I have so I can have products.
It's okay. It's okay. It's about that. I will go and borrow Nonso's bike and take you there tomorrow. Oh?
Thank you so much. You're such an angel.
My go aqua. No problem. I will be here before 8 o'clock tomorrow. Oh?
Yeah, eat some. I can't even finish it.
You want to use food and kill me? Eat. Mama?
My son.
Ndeo.
Welcome. No.
Mama, thank you. Mama, I carried so many passengers today. I almost did not even have time to rest. Yes, Mama.
Now you have to be taking it easy sometimes, so. You don't even come to the shop to eat your afternoon food again.
That is because there is no time. I have to work now, Mama.
I understand.
I have to work.
Okay. Nakun, go and freshen up whilst I prepare dinner. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
No, oh?
Jishike, Ma.
Oh, welcome.
Yes, Ma.
Achike. You did not eat your food?
No, Mama.
Why? I know you very well. You always eat your food. What happened?
Nothing.
Are you sick? Are you still worried about how things are?
No, Mama, I am not.
Or did you eat outside?
Actually, yes. I ate a little at Norma's place before I came home.
Oh, so it has gotten to that? Eh? It has gotten to that? That you abandon your mother's food and go eating other people's food outside, eh? Okay, it is well, don't worry.
Mama, it's not like that, please. Mama. Mama, good morning. Mama, your son is greeting you and you don't want to answer. Eh? Mama? Okay. Are you still angry about last night, Mama? I'm very sorry, oh?
I'm not angry. Good. But don't expect me to cook in this house for you again.
Mama, it has not gotten to that now. I'm very sorry, Mama. Bikun. Mama, I'm sorry. Okay, you know what is going to happen, Mama? Mama, take this money. Well, take it. Cook something this night. I promise you, Mama. I promise you. I will eat the entire pot. Is your community? Take.
Dobe Gogi. I would have loved to collect this money from you, but I can't.
Mama,
because you need it more. You need it, yeah? Don't worry, I will use my own money and cook something for you. You keep this one for yourself. Or add it to the one you used to remit to Nonso.
Try, Mama. Nemo, I don't know what I would have done without you, Mama.
You can do all things without me.
Thank you, oh. Thank you. But what about you now? I cannot leave you here. You're waiting for this Okada man and he has not come.
I don't know.
Let me go and look for another Okada that will come and quickly take you to the shop.
Okay.
Oh?
Another Agabu late like this.
It's a bad deal, Mama. I will handle it.
I don't like this thing that you used to do. Why is it that you will not let me know when you are coming so that I can prepare something special for you?
I didn't even know I would be here. They summoned me for an emergency meeting of the Omona. Here I am. So, how are you and Achike?
We are as fine as we can be there. It's just that I am worried over Achike.
Why? Why are you worried?
Because he doesn't have anything stable to do.
You see, I've told you times without number to allow the young man to come to the city and seek his fortune. But you never allow that.
It's not me. It's not me. Oh. It's Achike that does not want to leave his mother alone in the village. Oh.
I see. He loves you so much. But he will never allow you to experience a better life.
Okay. See him. You can ask him everything you want now.
Welcome, Uncle. How is Ogechi and everybody?
Well, all of us, we are fine.
Welcome, my son.
And how are you?
I'm fine, Uncle. I'm fine. Mama. Uncle, we're still here trying to see if things can get better.
And you've never given it a thought that things could be better in the city?
Uncle, not again, no, not again, Uncle. See my mother here now. I'm all that she has. I cannot afford to leave her here all by herself.
Oh, you have heard with your own ear now.
Achike,
you have heard.
Achike, I have told you this, that there are certain things you never achieve in life, being in the comfort zone. Beginning to loosen yourself from your mother's apron strings and be a man of yourself.
Okay. He has heard you. Let me go and get you something to eat.
Uncle, I have heard all that you said. I will make plans soon to come to the city and see how things can work out.
Yeah. Now you are talking. At least you come there and see if you could locate your fortune in the city.
Cable to cycle, where is my bike? No, so.
Oga Biko, please calm down. Calm down, Biko. Eh? Look at my leg now. Eh? The wound is still healing. I know that I haven't given you money, but just give me some time. Biko.
Thank God you know that you haven't given me any money.
I know.
You're telling me to calm down.
Biko.
My money I should calm down.
Biko.
Let me ask you, am I the cause of the accident? No. It is over 3 months. From where motorcycle from.
I will give you.
It seems that you are forgetting my name.
See my leg.
And then so that I will work.
Okay. Please. Biko, no. Please.
Now, let me tell you again. Listen,
now,
I'm coming back for my money. Anytime I hear don't provide my money, you will see what I will do.
Ago, please.
Ago, what is going on?
Ago, Ago, please don't take the bike. Ago, don't take the bike.
No, come back. What is the problem? What is happening? Why did he take the bike now? Why did he take the bike?
He said I have not been remitting money to him.
But I have been giving you money now.
And you've been giving me money.
So, again, is it?
I've been using the money for my medical expenses. Eh?
How? No, so.
I've not been feeding well.
So you have not been giving him anything? Oh, go to sit down. Come and sit down. What is all this now, eh? Oh.
Hana Aguibi. Afane to.
Kai. So bike Kanya go. No more bike again. So what is going to happen now?
How much? Okay. Thank you. Mama.
How is business?
We thank God they were just pushing. Okay. Anaga.
Okay.
And yours?
Oh, if no, Ebuka, please, I have something very important to discuss with you.
I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem. Okay. I know that you know many places. Oto Ainanya taxi. You understand? So I'm looking for where I can buy one good, strong Okada for my son, Achike.
Okada?
Yes.
Oh, that's not an issue. I know plenty dealers that sell correct Okada. Good ones, strong ones. So if you want, I'll just help you and get one.
Hey, Zioku. Hey.
You want to buy?
Hey, Buka. Okay. When the money is complete, I will let you know. Eh?
Whether you have half of the money or the money is not complete, with my contact, they can even give you on a higher purchase. Then you'll be paying small.
Half of the money?
Yes, with my contact.
Hey!
Half of the money they'll give you on a higher purchase. Then you'll be paying small.
Hey! Buka! I'm happy to hear that. I'm happy. Okay, when the half of the money is complete, I will let you know. Okay. Dalo.
Okay. So bad.
Chuku Goziegi. Oh.
Right,
okay.
Oh,
thank you. Bye.
I'll be leaving tomorrow, immediately after our Umana meeting. I just came to say goodbye to you.
Thank you, Day. That is very thoughtful of you.
Where is Achike? I didn't see him.
Oh, Achike went out for his daily hustle. He will soon be back.
Okay. That's remind me. I want Achike to join me in the city. I'm expanding my shop, and I want him to be the manager of the new shop.
Hey, Day, that is a very good idea. That's a very good idea. But, you know Achike, he can be very stubborn. But I will discuss it with him.
Talk to him.
When he returns, I will.
Try and convince him. If you are the reason he doesn't want to leave, convince him. Talk to him. You see, he's in best interest. Eh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so see you, eh?
Thank you. Thank you, Day. But how can Agu do that? It's not fair, now.
Mama, the worst part is that he did not even want to hear anything. He just collected the key from me and he went off. Anyway, I'm thinking of going to meet him so that he can give me the bike and I work with him directly.
Man, that is not good. No, so will not like it.
I know, Mama. I know. But what other choice do I have? Yeah?
You know what? Don't worry. Because something is going to happen very soon. Something better than all these menial jobs that you are doing. You will see.
Yet again, Mama, I have to swallow my pride and go and work for Donna and Uke and hope that they don't take advantage of me again.
But why don't you ask them to pay you first before you do the job?
It won't work like that, Mama. That is not how it is done. The rule is payment after labor. I guess I will just have to be patient until they decide to pay me.
With this whole kind of thing, don't you think it's better you go and join your uncle in the city? Your uncle was here this evening. He said he's opening a new branch of his business and he wants you to come and be the manager there. Eh? I think you should go.
Mama, I have told you before. I don't want to go to the city and leave you here in the village. I cannot do that. I can't bear to be out there knowing that you are here alone, Mama. Mama, please, let us not go over this again. I am not ready to relocate. I am not.
It's okay, my son. Don't worry. Everything will be okay. Everything will be all right. Let me go and get you something to eat. Don't worry. Oh, God, oh.
I'm on my way driving out now.
I'm happy that I met you there. I'm happy I met you. These foodstuffs are for you.
For me?
Yes, sir.
My wife, thank you so much. Huh? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So, how is that Chike? Were you able to talk to him?
Yes, sir. I did. But like I suspected, he said he won't come on. He was insisting that it's not everybody that is meant to be in the city. As a matter of fact, he said he cannot leave me all by myself. At least not now.
Well, that's his choice. We can't force him. But my major concern is to see he has something meaningful doing in the village.
Amen. Amen. That is part of why I came to see you today.
Okay.
I have saved up some money to buy a bike for Achike. But the money is not complete. So I say, let me ask if you can please add to it for me, even if I will pay you back. I don't mind.
You to pay me back? No, it's not possible. Do not forget that Achike is my nephew. He's my brother's son, and by extension, my own son. So, let me see what I can do.
Okay. Where will I put this?
Put it in the boot. Yeah.
My sister to enjoy it, manage it for me. Manage it.
This is 50,000 naira, eh?
Huh?
Just add it to it.
Hey, Day! 50,000 naira. Hey, Day, thank you. Thank you so very much.
I'll be on my way. Eh?
Okay, safe journey. Safe journey.
Take good care of yourself.
Thank you. God bless you for me. Hey, 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 50,000 naira. Oh.
My love, I'm so sorry you have to go back to working for that wicked donor. I really wish Noso was responsible for paying back. But I don't blame him in his condition.
It's okay. It's fine. I will do what I can do. A man has got to do what a man has got to do. I will do what I can do.
Norma.
Samuel, are you going out?
Yes.
Bueno, go and come.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, now you look stressed. Stay with me. Stay with me, let me help you relax. I don't want you to break down. Spend the night with me.
Thank you very much. I don't know what I would do without you, okay? And thank you also for your offer, but you know that I cannot sleep here because we are not married.
What's wrong with that? Eh? What is wrong with it? Everybody knows we are going out. They all know you're my boyfriend. What is wrong with spending the night with me?
Okay. Biko, calm down. Calm down, please.
I will not calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. I know what this is all about. It's all because of your mother. That's why you don't want to stay here.
How did my mother get into this?
We all know she hates me. And she doesn't want us to be together. So everything you do is about your mother. All I'm asking is why can't you give me a space in your heart?
Norma, you know that is not fair. You know that I love you. You know.
Then show me. If you love me, show me. Spend time with me. Spend time with me and stop running off all the time. Please. You will stay?
Mama, good morning. I thought you'd be in the shop by now.
Where are you coming from?
Mama, what kind of question is that now? I'm a grown man. I can sleep out if I want to, anytime I want to.
Without telling me? No, without telling me. Eh? You kept me out here all night, waiting for you. Eh? I was worried about you, not knowing what had happened to you. Not knowing if you have gone and hurt yourself because you are worried about your situation.
I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. I did not mean to hurt you or put you through all of that. I just wanted to be another place and do something different to keep my mind away from my problems. That's all. Sorry.
Okay. So, where were you?
I was with Norma.
Hey! Achike! Achike! Achike!
Mama, what is it?
Why is it? Why is it that you don't see any other girl in this village apart from that woman? Eh?
Mama, I have to go. Okay? Let me go to work. Do not say they will not pay any laborer that does not come early to work. Let me go. Mama, give me the key. Let me first take this thing.
Hey! Achike. Listen, ka. Look what go on, Lelia. Oh, my Lelia. Okay. Okay, add this one from my brother-in-law.
Mama, you have done it.
How?
This is 100,000 naira complete.
Hasi? Hey! Where's your...
Yes, Mama.
100,000! Hey! Oh, my God. I knew that my God will not put me to shame.
Mama.
Hey! I knew that my God will not put me to shame. So you mean I can add a smile to my son's face?
Yes, Mama.
Eh? 100,000. Hey, hey, Chukwekenengi, oh, my daughter, thank you.
God.
Hey, thank you, God. Let me go and look for Ebuka.
Hey. Okay, okay.
No
Mama.
waste of time.
No problem, Mama.
You can pack up everything.
All right, no problem.
I will see you tomorrow.
No problem, Mama.
Let me go and see Ebuka.
Oh, Mama. Mama, what is going on? Or should I be worried? The last time I saw you like this was before Papa died.
How can you be worried when I'm happy? I'm extremely happy today. Mama. Because this is a day that I have been looking forward to. I'm finally happy that today has come.
Mama. Mama. Now I am worried, Mama. I am very worried, Mama.
I am. Worried. How can you be worried when I'm happy? Eh?
Mama, I don't understand again.
I have been saving money for some time now to buy you your own Okada.
Eh? Mama?
Yes.
Why didn't you tell me?
Because I want it to be a surprise. I want to surprise you. Eh? First, I save 100,000 naira. You know?
100 guinea?
Yes, to buy it on higher purchase. That was the money that was stolen.
Oh.
You know?
Mama, you said what? Mama, 100,000. You lost that kind of money and you told me that it was a little amount of money.
That was why I was sad. But that one has passed. Because I picked myself up again. I started to work again and to save. And now the money is complete. Including the one that your uncle gave me to support.
Eh? Mama, Mama, what are you talking about? Mama, I'm not understanding you again. Eh? What are you saying, Mama?
What I'm saying is that your own Okada. Hey, Buka! Hey, Buka!
Mama, I told you I will buy a strong Okada for you. Mama,
hey.
Mama, what is this?
Hey, hey, Buka.
Mama, what's going on here now?
Hey, Buka.
Mama, again, is it?
This is the Okada.
This. No, Mama.
Hey, Buka. No. Is it your own? Is it your own? Is it your own?
Mama, you say this is my own Okada.
Take the key. This is your own Okada.
Hey, Mama. My own Okada?
Yes. It's fully paid for. No higher purchase. Not like Nonso's own.
My own Okada?
Yes.
My own Okada, Mama.
No more.
My own Okada from my own mother, Mama.
Mama.
Oh, Mama. No, Mama. You see, this is my own Okada. This
is your Okada.
Mama, you say what?
No more suffer. No more suffer. No more suffer. No more suffer.
No, Mama.
Carry him block.
Mama.
No more suffer.
I have to test drive this Okada. Mama, you say I can.
This one is to off the machine, then start it here.
Like this?
Press 2 times.
Hey!
It started.
Oh, we're going remote. Oh, we're going remote.
Mama.
there for me. No matter the situation, you're always there for me. Yeah. You're always there for me. You're always there for me. No matter my situation, you're always there for me.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I foresee that how can my good friend buy a new bike and he won't come and show me?
Well, I'm not doing that, no.
Help me. Hey! This is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Tear rubber.
It is even a white bike.
You have seen it now.
Nkakwa tam original.
Yes, sir. Mama, good morning, Mama.
Good morning, Nnam. You and this your bike? Eh? Why are you setting out so early?
Mama, I want to go and take Norma to main market to get her goods.
What for? Are you now her personal driver?
Mama, you know she's my girlfriend. I cannot allow any other person to be driving her around when I have a bike.
So what?
Mama, I have a bike now.
So what? Because of what? I don't even know what you see in that old woman.
Mama, she's not an old woman. She's not an old woman.
So what is she?
She's my girlfriend.
I don't even know if she has bewitched you.
Mama, please, see, I don't have strength for this your talk now, okay? I need to be going. I'll see you when I get back. You would have asked Mwakego to bring the key for me.
Good morning, Mama.
Mwakego is not around.
Mama, Norma is greeting you.
I hope you know that this your Okada is for you to be doing business all around this village. Not for you to be carrying loose women about.
Mama, please stop. You know Norma is my girlfriend.
So? Does that stop her from being a loose woman?
Mama.
Hey! Don't you even open your mouth here. What is it? Why don't you go and look for one old man to be your husband? What is it with my son? You want to kill my son with that thing?
Mama, please, just stop all this, please. Just stop it. Norman. Mama, was that necessary? You didn't have to do that.
Bia, I've been warning you. You don't want to hear. You want her to kill you. You want her to kill you with that thing.
Mama, she's not killing me with anything.
Don't worry now. Don't worry. Don't worry. I don't even know what my son Achike sees in that nonsense girl. That make him to be acting as if he doesn't have brain.
Well, Mama, if you ask me, I feel Brother Ejike is in love.
Bia, Mwakego.
Ma.
Hi. How did you know about somebody being in love? Have you started?
No.
Huh?
Ma? No.
How can Achike be in love with that thing? Huh? That old woman that will soon enter menopause? God forbid.
Mama, what happens if tomorrow he comes and says he wants to marry her?
Hey! I reject it. I can never be part of such a marriage. Are you telling me that Achike cannot see all these fine girls, young girls in this village? Is that old woman that he will bring to me that he wants to marry? No, it will not happen. Impossible.
Mama, I'm beginning to think you are really hard on this lady. If you bring her close, you might like her.
Wakego.
Mama.
You know, I'm thinking now that maybe it's that food that you are eating that is causing you to be making mouth to cho to me. Eh? Hurry up, finish the food and come and walk here. See plate.
Hey, my friend, I'm really happy for you. Eh? New bike. Hi.
See, I cannot wait for you to get back on your feet. I know you're happy for me, but you know the happiness will be better by the time you are fully healed.
I wish the same, my brother.
Let's make things happen.
I wish the same for myself. But you know, since Agu took the bike from me, I've been finding it very difficult to feed. Eh?
There is no problem, oh? It is well. Look, just manage this one. Just manage it. Just manage it. We'll manage it for now. I will be coming to check up on you from time to time.
Achike, thank you very much.
It's me that should be thanking you, no so. It's me that should be thanking you. You imagine how you gave me your bike to use and hustle when I needed it most. It's me that should be thanking you. So thank you. Thank you. Not everybody will do what you did, but you did it for me. Thank you, oh. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Achike.
Thank you.
Thank you. My God will bless you. God bless you.
Bless you too. God will bless you too. It's okay, it's okay. All is well, oh. It's about there. Mama, you called me.
Yes, I did. What is your intention towards that woman?
Mama. Mama, which woman again?
Norma.
Mama, why are you asking me all this question? I don't like discussing my relationship with anybody.
Hey! So, I am not anybody. I your mother.
Mama, please don't get me wrong. Eh? If I intend to push things with a Norma, you will be the first person to know. You know now.
Okay. I hope you are not planning to push anything with her. Because I don't like that woman for anything. I don't like her.
I've heard you, Mama. I've heard you. I need to sleep. I am tired. Can I go now?
Okay, go and sleep. Kachifu.
Kachifu.
Don't you know when to enter my bike again? No worry.
Now how's
I come, I will release money for you.
No worry, I will take them more to enter it.
No worry.
It's the only thing you can do.
I hope it's a
Run so dry. Hustling now. Hustling to survive. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Life na hustle. Hustling just to make it. Yeah. The only thing you can do.
Mama, you will not believe the amount of money I have made. See, everybody just want to climb my back because it's new. Mama, people like new things, so especially women. They like new things. Everybody, on me, only me. Mama, I'm telling you.
Nah, first and foremost, you know why I paid for this your bike complete? Eh? is because I don't want you to be under the kind of pressure
Child.
that you would have been under.
Yes.
If you have to remit money to somebody.
Yes, Mama.
So I want you to walk at your own pace. So
You are on point.
don't carry all the passengers, only you. Let some people carry too.
But Mama, you should know that it's not me that is wanting them. It's the other way around. It's them that are wanting me. They're the ones rushing me.
Okay, fine bike.
Mama, let me be on my way, oh.
Are you going out again?
But just one hint, just small. Today is Norma's birthday, so I want to take her out to a Kenes bar so that we can celebrate small, just small thing, Mama. I'll go and I'll be back soon, oh.
No.
Mama, just small.
Biko, can you not see that your status is changing?
Yeah.
Eh? I mean, you now have your own bike. You don't do manual labor anymore. Don't you think that it's time for you to look for one young, fine girl in this village? Eh? Somebody of your status that you can start planning to marry.
Mama, why don't you just stop all this now? Why don't you just stop all this? Why do you hate this girl so much? I have begged you to allow me bring this girl closer to you so that you can see how wonderful she is.
Bia. First and foremost, Norma, she's not a girl.
Yeah.
She's a woman.
And
secondly, I don't hate her. All I'm trying to make you understand is that she is not good for you, Achike.
Mama, that woman, as you call her, has stood by me all along, Mama. If you ask me, I believe that's one of the strong qualities of a woman. She's a good girl, Mama. Leave this girl. She's good for me. Eh?
Why don't you look for your mate? Eh? Somebody that is your age mate.
Mama, she stood by me.
Okay.
Let me start going. I will see you later when I come back.
Okay.
Oh?
We shall see.
Mama, we are not seeing anything. Don't stop worrying yourself. Oh?
Hey! Love, it's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Okay? It's not the end of the world.
It's the end of the world for me. It's the end of the world for me. My bike has been stolen. Everything is finished. It's over. It's over.
It's not over. Okay? God knows best. All I know is that whoever is responsible for this will never escape. We will catch the thief.
Okay. How do I now go and tell my mother that the bike that she suffered and sweated so much to buy for me just a week ago is gone? Just like that. How do I tell her? How? I will go and tell her.
She will understand now. She's your mother. It's not your fault.
Oh God.
Okay?
God, why? Why? It's as if the world is always against me. The world does not want me to progress. Everything I do, because I am finished now. What is left again? What is remaining? That was it. Somebody blew my bike back for just like that. Just like that. Just like that. My bike is now gone.
Kai! Oh! Hey, Norma! Hey!
Sorry.
My bike is gone.
We'll find it.
My bike.
Now, welcome. Where are you coming from? I told you don't be doing this kind of strange behavior. What's wrong? Why are you crying? What's wrong with you? Where's your bike? Is it outside?
Mama, my bike was stolen today.
I said I didn't hear the sound of your bike. Huh? Stolen? When did it happen? When? How?
Mama, it was after I left Norma's shop where I had gone to rest after a busy morning. I was heading to your shop and then along the road I felt pressed. So I got down and before I could finish and turn around, Mama, that was how I saw one young man driving my bike away. I tried to chase him but I could not catch him, Mama. My precious bike is gone.
When you will not leave that number alone. See where it has landed you now.
Mama, this has nothing to do with the number.
It has to do with her.
Mama,
it has everything to do with her. Because if you have not gone to that religious chemist, this will not have happened to you.
Mama,
this will not have happened to you.
Mama, Biko, I have a headache already. Please don't come and add more. Biko.
You have headache? Nezurugo! Motorcycle! You have headache? Hey! Hey! No me bugomo, Egonina. No me bugomo. Hey! Oh, Nna, I was looking for you. I'm sorry about the way that I spoke to you yesterday. Don't be angry, please.
Mama, it's fine. I understand you very much. I would do the same thing if I was in your position.
Yes, I know, but I should have put your feelings first.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. I've already reported to the village security head. Maybe something can be done.
Don't worry. I will try everything in my power to see that things will be okay for you. Hmm?
Thank you, Mama.
Will you like Nwakego to bring food for you today?
No, Mama. I'm not hungry.
Okay, let me rush and go to the market. I will also try and buy things so that I can prepare your favorite meal. You know you haven't eaten since yesterday.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Bye-bye.
Hey! How can somebody be this wicked and heartless to take what is not his? Bano.
You see, my brother, that is life for you. That is life. That is to show you the level of hunger and also jealousy in this village.
Hey! Bano. Nah. So, What are you going to do now? You can't remain like this.
My dear brother, I am so confused that I cannot even think straight. I don't even know what to think. I don't know.
What about your uncle that stays in the city? Don't you think you should go and join him there? Your destiny might not be in this village.
You know, I've never even thought about that. I've never looked at it from that angle before. But now that you have mentioned it, see, Ewanne, I am so tired of this village. I am tired of it. I will talk to my mother about it.
Please, Biko, you better do. Just discuss with her. Before then, I have fresh palm wine inside.
You mean,
just go behind the cupboard, you see it there. I know you like palm wine. You like drink.
I have finally decided to join my uncle in the city.
How? How did you make such decisions without informing me? Without involving me?
You are the very first person I'm telling since I took the decision. I have not even told my mother.
So, what happens to me? What happens to us?
Nothing.
Nothing. How? I thought we had plans of spending the rest of our lives together.
Nothing changes. Nothing changes. I just need some time to settle in the city, that's all.
How much time do you need?
Maybe 1 year, or 2, or more. Depends. What?
Are you listening to yourself?
Listen to myself.
Or more?
What?
You know what? I don't care anymore. Do what you want.
Okay. Oh, okay. Number 12, Adams Street. Number 12, Adams Street. Anyị enweta gị. No problem. Dalude, thank you. Thank you. Greet Ogechi. Okay. Good night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, sir. Bye. I hope you got the right address.
Yes, Mama, I did.
Number 12, Adam Street. My son.
That's fine.
Finally, you are going. You know that you did not want to go. But as it is now, it has become a situation of by force. You have to go. Remember the son of who you are. Be very careful. You know you have never been to this city before. And with what they say about the people in the city, anya na chafa red, you know. Don't join bad gang. Remember the son of who you are. Always remember your father. And remember me too. Your uncle, he said the new branch, the shop, the one that you are supposed to be the manager, he said that one is not ready yet. But as He has heard now that you are coming. He will intensify efforts to make sure that it's ready on time. But before it's ready, you know, you humble yourself and be an apprentice in the old one. Okay, Nugo. No, you are not complete two in my hand. It's only you.
Good evening. What are they look for?
I look for my uncle. Now I get this house.
Okay, now you dey come from village go?
Yes, na me.
Okay. Come inside. They don't tell me say you go come. Enter inside. Okay. Where we go? Where we go?
Chike.
Yes, sir.
How was your journey?
It was fine. We thank God, sir.
Oh, good. So, how is your mom?
She's doing great.
Oh,
very
good.
fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Ogechi.
Daddy.
Take Chike to his home.
Okay. Come and take it. Come.
Thank you.
Come.
Obin, I still don't think bringing him to this house is a good idea. What will he be doing here?
Well, it won't be long before my new shop will be ready. Meanwhile, he can assist in house chores and still come to the shop to see how things run.
He's all right though, if you say so.
Well, I know you are not so comfortable with the idea of his coming here to stay with us, but we have to. I need trusted hands, especially now that I'm expanding my business.
I am not against him staying in this house. Don't get me wrong. I just never knew that your brother's wife, who was totally against our marriage, will allow her son to come live in this house. Or did she forget I live in this house?
Well, that one is in the past. It's past tense now.
Past.
Come on. I didn't like the way your face looks now.
Don't even go there.
Come on, smile for me.
What am I smiling for?
Come on, smile for me there.
Just leave me.
My brother asked for shine well. But let's small girls go easy play.
Me, I not get any issue with any small girl now. No be waiting I come to do for here be that now.
So what do you come do now?
Me? No money on my brother. If you give me money, as you do, so if you give me money, I go just happy that I go there, happy they go every day.
Some women they put this time we go give you money.
Eh, we go give me money.
Yes.
You sabi anyone?
Plenty. No worry, I go link you with one.
You go link me.
I go link you with one. Now me tell you.
You go they give me money.
No worry, I go tell her.
Eh? So now so the money easy.
Then they plenty. Plenty, no worry, I go link you with one.
You go link me. And they go give me money.
Then go give you. I know one way they put this side. If you work, I go down there. I go tell her, no worry.
How many you cost be? How many will they give you?
I know if you know. Then they mean they don't pass 100.
Will they give you?
No, where I go link you with? Where I go link you with?
So why they know they give you the money now?
I don't know that. I know say me I get ACB now. And do you say na fine boy now? You know see how they shine.
I be fine boy.
I know say uncle.
I fine.
No worry, my brother. I go tell her.
I go enjoy her money where.
I go tell her.
Chike!
Auntie, you called me, ma.
I did not call you. Ibia, where were you?
I was washing the car with Ibrahim before I now stepped out briefly.
You were washing the car with Ibrahim?
Yes, ma'am.
You now choose to step out on your own?
I stepped out briefly.
In this house?
No, outside, ma'am.
Are you serious? When I'm talking, you keep quiet.
Sorry, ma'am.
Let me tell you, you don't have any business with washing cars. That is Ibrahim's duty. And you do not also have any right in stepping out unless I sent you to go get me something. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Jokwese. In this house, maybe that one you call your sister, she didn't tell you. In this house, I will not tolerate any kind of laziness. So if that is the reason why you're here, start on time. Pack your things and go back to the village and meet your mother. Did I make myself clear? Achike?
Yes, ma'am.
There is something I want you to do for me. Follow me. Follow me. Achike. Good evening.
Good evening, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine. How was your day?
It was okay.
Are you sure? Or, let me guess, she was a pain in your butt, right?
Who are you talking about?
My stepmom, of course. See, it's very difficult living with her. I don't even know how my father copes with her.
He loves her, obviously.
Me, I don't care. I don't care. See, if she gets on your nerves, do not hesitate to report to my father. Don't hesitate.
Okay, no problem. I will.
This is unbelievable. So Ogechi came and reported me to you.
Amara, treating Achike as a houseboy in my house, is it right? I'm asking you.
What are you saying? What you're saying now is that I should not send Achike on an errand in this house.
That's not what I said. I only said subjecting this young man, my own blood, to a maid servant in my house. It's not right.
Amara. So, I am the servant that you employed to serve you and Ogechi and your entire community. Let me tell you, it will not work. Achike cannot stay in this house, eat my food, and not do anything. Oma walk on.
I am baffled at your actions sometimes. You behave inconsiderately.
And you are not reasonable to know that they might be telling lies against me. You always at all time believe everything Ogechi tells you about me. Is it because I don't have a child of my own? Is that why? I don't blame both of you.
Good morning, ma.
Achike, how are you? Good morning. I hope you slept well.
Yes, I did. Please, ma, I want to apologize to you about yesterday. I did not know that you were coming.
Achike, why are you apologizing to me? I should be the one to apologize to you. Please, I'm sorry. For entering your room without no knocking. I'm sorry.
Okay, ma. Please, ma, is there anything you want me to do for you?
Not exactly. But if there is anything that I want, trust me, I'll tell you. I'll let you know. So have you eaten?
Yes, ma.
Losing up, have you eaten?
Yes, ma.
What did you eat?
I drank tea.
Tea and what?
Tea and bread.
Just tea and bread. Don't worry.
Yes,
I'm making something really nice today.
There is no problem.
Not at all.
Please come in.
Stop running. Ever since yesterday, I haven't been myself, Achike. Please make love to me.
Ma, no, Auntie. Auntie.
Achike. You are a man, please. I need you.
Ma, please. Stop all this. I cannot do this.
Achike, but why? Why can't you visit by your uncle? I told you I can handle him.
Auntie, I will shout. If you don't leave this place now, I will shout.
Achike.
I will shout. I will shout. If you don't leave me, please, what happened to my car? Biko, please, man, just go. Please, man, if you don't leave me now, I will raise alarm. I will shout. Please, man, just leave me alone. Biko, ma, please. Biko,
stop now, stop.
Biko, stop this. Stop it.
Okay, now, just relax.
But go now, go, ma. Please, go. Oh. Sure.
Oh, yes. Okay. Now listen. I have found a perfect person. He fits what we are looking for. We won't have any issues. You know, I can always deliver. We won't have any problem. Everything will be all right. Soon, we'll be smiling to the bank. Yes.
Orphan.
Let me call you back, please. I'll call you back.
Why did you act like I just caught you into some beautiful acts? Who were you talking to?
My business partners from the north. Yes.
Are you still traveling tomorrow?
Oh, yes, for sure.
Okay.
Take care of everybody. Remember to treat Achike nicely. Hmm?
You sound like I don't treat him well. Of course I do.
See you.
Bribe him.
All right. I will be away for a few days. When I come back, we'll start up immediately.
Uncle, it's okay. May God grant you journey mercy.
Thank you. And I'm aware of my wife's hostile attitude. Thank you. I'm aware of my wife's hostile attitude towards you. So sorry about it. I've spoken to her. It will repeat itself again, eh?
All right, Uncle. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Put it at the back.
Achike, come here immediately. Chike, come inside. Take your glass. I am sorry I shouted at you in front of Ibrahim. I didn't want him to think otherwise. Please, take your glass.
I'm not tasting.
Achike, I didn't say you are. I just want us to have a drink together. You always spend time outside with Ibrahim. Please, take your drink and spend some time with me too. Please, Achike. Are you okay?
No. I think I need to use the toilet. Okay, you would have come also. Okay, you would have come also. Stop this thing that you like to do to me. Oh. Stop it, too. Stop it. Okay, Togo.
We are no longer children. True. I miss our childhood days.
Okay.
You know, then when we had nothing to think about.
Hi. Nothing at all. Oh.
And I also remembered how you climbed the top of a tree and you couldn't come down. The way your mother beat stubbornness.
You remember that day?
Remember?
She almost killed me that day.
Hey.
My sweet mother. I miss those times, okay? I miss those times. I really miss it.
Me too. I miss those days. But I love growing up.
Okay. Growing up is nice.
Achike, my brother. I will not act like I'm not seeing what is going on. I will not pretend that I have noticed that you spend almost all your time by the gates. My brother, is there something you're running away from?
Okay, that is nothing, okay. That is nothing. It's just that me, I like to stay outside here, you know, and just think about my mother and all the times, the good times. Plus the bad times that we have together. That's all. My sweet mother, I miss her. I miss her so much.
I understand. I miss my mother too.
Sure.
And I wonder how life would have been if she didn't die giving birth to my younger brother.
Oh, it's okay, it's well. That is how life is. It's well, oh. But that's your brother self, Jidekene. That boy, is it that he does not want to come back again? Or why does he like the white man's country so much, Seth?
Jidekele just likes organized places.
Oh.
He will soon be back. Sure. But I pray he doesn't come back when my daddy dies.
At least he has to come back and get married now. Okay?
That is it. He doesn't marry a white woman.
I cannot marry Oyibo.
Why?
But they
are humans.
I'm not saying they are not humans. It's not what I like. No.
Tell me, when are you going to get married?
Hey, when am I going to get married? Okay. That's not what I'm thinking about now. I have a girlfriend though. I have one. But marriage is the last thing on my mind now.
Actually, you have a girlfriend?
But I need to make money first.
Diss me about your girlfriend. Diss me.
Okay, can you tell me? Again,
no,
so what do you want to hear? She's a fine girl. Oh, she's a nurse. She's a nurse. Actually, Pebu's one nigga. No, very why because.
Achike, I better help me look get small. I want to go buy fuel.
Make I help you look get Ibrahim. Ibrahim, you don't come again. I know if you help you look that gate, my mind no go there. And you know, say this woman fit come me anytime. You say, I will help you go look gate.
I beg, I beg. I no go spend even 10 minutes. 10 minutes I no go spend.
Ibrahim.
I beg.
Oh, okay, know what's going to happen. Bring up. I go help you go buy the fuel.
Thank
you. Look your gate. So that me if I fit come out this house small.
Thank you, my friend. I go cook with them a special working come for you.
You go cook out this night. This night oh.
Today night I go cook am.
No be say you go promise now.
I go cook am.
When time reach now, you no go do am. Now when you no cook am, this fuel when I go buy, so I go throw away am.
I go cook am. Now me tell you.
If you like, no cook am.
I promise.
Now you use your mind. They promise me now.
Thank you.
When time reach now, got call our bandas. Okay. Now this filling station wait there for here now.
Not there.
No problem.
That filling station. Hey, that can fall there, and the filling station don't explode. Hey, 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 hey.
Ibrahim, why are you crying?
Madam Chike.
What happened to me? Talk now.
I just hear say the police station where go by boy don't catch fire.
Who sent him to police station? Huh? What are you saying?
Madam Bella say Chike don't die.
Come on, shut up! Are you crazy? How would you say things like that? What kind of nonsense is this now? Who told you? How did you know? Ibrahim! Can you talk?
Now another person they telling me say everybody for the police station they don't die. Everybody don't die.
Come.
Why haven't you people checked at the police station to confirm? We are women. We are waiting for you to come back. What can both of us do? We are only women.
Yes, Daddy.
For how long has he been missing?
2 days now.
For 2 days.
Yes.
Let me go to the police station. Let me go and find out. I'll be back.
Obima, what did the police say?
Daddy, what did they say?
Any news?
The police says that everybody in that filling station was pumped beyond recognition.
No, this is not good now.
Are you saying that he's dead? Are you saying he's dead? Yes. Achike is dead.
This is not good now. This is not good. No, this is not good. This is not good. No, now. I didn't say that you go. It was Ibrahim that I said to go and buy food. God knows I didn't say that chicken anyway. My hands actually no. I didn't say that chicken. 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 My hands actually I didn't say that chicken.
Ekutosi, there is something Ozo and I will want to tell you. We want you to take it in good faith. God brings and He takes. He knows the best.
Ichi, I don't understand. Why are you talking to me in parables? Is anything wrong? Is Achike all right?
Actually, that is the reason we are here. Achike, your son, was involved in an accident.
Accident?
Yes.
What kind of accident?
Tanker explosion.
I don't understand. Explosion. Where is Achike now?
Ekutosi, Achike died in the process.
Achike did what? Achike did what? Uncle Luzo, Achike went to the city. Where is Achike? Where is Achike? Uncle Luzo, where is Achike? Where's Achike? What are you?
What happened?
Where's Achike? Achike went to the city. Achike is with you in the city. Where's Achike? Where's Achike? Leave me. Leave me. Where's Achike? 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 Achike! Achike!
Get up. Well, am I? Achike got back. Don't wait for the game, man. No, you go come out.
Achike.
Nasa, is it true? Nasa, is it true? Nasa, is it true? Nasa, Achike, this was not what we agreed on. Nasa, what happened? Nasa, what happened?
Achike, my friend is dead. Beyond recognition, but I thank God for I wish I never advised him.
Had a glimmer of hope. I was praying that God will bring my son back to me. But last night, I had a dream. I saw him in my dream. I think he came to say goodbye.
Mama, I still can't believe Brother Ichike is dead. I can't.
It's God. It's God.
Mama.
That is the pill of sorrow he has given me to swallow. I don't know what I have done to him.
No.
For him to visit me with such punishment. I don't know.
Don't blame God yet, Mama. What if it's the devil's handwork?
How do you mean?
How are we sure that Uncle Uzo did not use Brother Ichike for money rituals? It has always been a rumor in this village that he is a ritualist. And with the way he kept insisting and insisting for Brother Achike to come join him in the city, Mama, I suspect him. Brother Achike can't just die like that, Mama. No, something is fishy. Yes, Mama. Yes.
You are right. You are right.
Yeah.
You are right. Ah. Uso. Okay. I am going to confront him.
Yes.
Yes. I will go to the city. I will go to that his house.
Yes.
Tomorrow I will go.
Yes, Mama. You need to. We need to get to the bottom of this whole issue.
Thank you.
Yes, Mama.
Thank you so much.
It's going to be fine.
Also.
Who be you?
Open. I'm Ekutosh. Open for me.
I go so make her open. Who be you first, madam?
Open this gate.
Wait now. Put this gate for me. Madam, I beg.
Uzo. Where's your father? Where is that your evil, wicked father? Where is your father? He has killed my son. Where is he? Eh? Where's your father?
What's going on?
Uzo.
What's going on?
Uzo. Oh, you kept your own son in Obodo Yibo. And you came and hid this your daughter in the city. You now decided to kill my own son, Uzo. Uzo, what did your brother do to you? To deserve such wickedness from you, what did he do to you, Uzo?
Auntie.
What did he do to you?
Auntie, please calm down.
What did he do to you?
It was Tanka.
Yeah, shut up your mouth! Keep quiet, you this prostitute. Am I talking to you? Which kind of nonsense, Tanka? I should have known. Uzo, I should have known. I should have known. When you used to give me money to give to Achike, and things were always going wrong. Each time you gave me money to give to Achike, I should have believed all the stories, all the rumors in the village that you are a ritualist. I know that. You are taking his eyes and his heart. I know that you have used it. You have used it for your ritual. Please give me his money. Give me his money. Uzo! Hey! Uzo! I'm not going to live here. Today. Uzo, give me my son! Give me my son! Give me my son! Give me Wamo! Achike Wamo!
I hope you have no hands in that boy's disappearance. Because the mother seems too sure. And I
How dare you? I'm leaving you. How dare you insinuate that I have a hand in killing my own blood? I have worked and toiled all my life to be to the level I am today. And I swore to my God that I will never have anything to do with ritual sacrifices. How much spilling a human blood? You are here insinuating that I have a hand in the death of my own blood.
I'm sorry.
I'm extremely disappointed at you.
I'm really sorry. I'm really, really sorry. It's just that I'm also confused now. Look at the whole thing. The other day I overheard you on the phone talking about you having a perfect person for the job.
Will you shut up? Be silent this minute. Ekutas, I'm happy you are calm today. I'm yet to get over your last visit, but I hope all is well.
All is not well. Uzo, all is not well. I have come here for only one reason, and that is to ask you one question, and I want you to tell me the truth. Did you use my son Achike for money ritual? I beg your pardon. How dare you speak to my husband in that manner? All he has done was just to help Achike and make him a better man.
Amal, it's all right. Let me handle this. Ekutas, last time you were here, I allowed you to expend your emotions because I know you are grieving. Now I also want to ask you, how do you come about your conclusion?
Answer me! Yes or no? Uzo! Answer me yes or no? Did you kill my son Achike and use him for money ritual?
Not at all.
In that case, get ready so that you come and swear before the village deity in the next 7 days. You will prove your innocence, Uzo. That is what I have come to say. Auntie? Auntie?
Swear?
Auntie?
Did she say
Auntie?
swear? Did she say swear? She said swear.
It's all right. Let's go in. Come on, let's go in.
I called us here because of the arising issues that have clouded our sense of reasoning and affect our judgments.
Yeah, why are you talking sideways? Huh? Why are you talking as if we don't know the truth why we are here?
What truth are you talking about?
The truth is that you killed my son Achike and used him for money ritual.
I beg your pardon, Ekutas. I did not kill Achike. I cannot kill Achike. Achike is my son.
Then swear before our village date. Prove your innocence. Swear.
Ekutose, calm down. Calm down, Ekutose. You don't just wake up and begin to lay such allegations. No.
Bia, ichie ndemo. Ichie wuna gije. I know that he has already bribed you. So I am not talking to you. I am talking to Uzo here.
I cannot swear. I cannot swear. I'm a knight of the church. It is against the ethics and principles of my faith.
Olumba, you must swear. Enanum, you must swear. You will swear. You must swear. You must swear. You must swear. You must swear.
I know why I'm keeping quiet. I know why I'm keeping quiet.
You must swear. You must swear. You must swear.
I know why I'm keeping quiet.
Hey! Hey!
I heard you screaming.
I had that dream again. Achike appeared to me again. I think he's trying to tell me something. I think Achike is trying to tell me something.
I've heard all you said, but it's difficult for me.
Would you prefer this woman to go about the whole villages calling you murderer?
Not at all, Okoye, not at all.
Obviously you do. She has vowed to go about the whole villages, even as far as the north, telling everyone who cares to listen that you are a murderer. What about your business partners? What would they think if they hear about this? You have to be wise.
Okay. Okay, I will. I'll swear.
Better. This is what you must do if your hands are clean.
Good evening, Mama. Mama, I know you never liked me. But that does not change the fact that Achike was my one and only true love. I loved him so much. And I love you too by extension. Please let me be of help to you in any way possible at these trying times. Accept my condolences, Mama. I'm so sorry.
Ekutosi, your in-law here deserves an apology from you for accusing him wrongly of your son's death.
Isha, I don't need any apology. I'm only here for the burial arrangement. I've succeeded in retrieving his remains, you know, so that we can see what to bury. He was burnt beyond recognition.
Hey!
And
Hey!
I've also decided I will foot the funeral expenses. I'll pay everything, I'll pay for everything, so that we will give him a befitting burial and move this family ahead.
Ekutosi, do you have anything to say?
Calm down, calm down. That's what it is. should be. I will endure all this. Chike was my son. I will endure it, no problem. No problem.
It's okay. It's okay.
I thank God Equitas has finally agreed that Achike be buried. It would take me several years to convince her that I did not have a hand in Achike's death.
But Dad, how could someone even think of such?
You know the village people and their mentality. Once they see someone who lives in the city and is doing well, they label that person a ritualist.
Uzo, let's be honest, not just the village people. Even me that is in this house, your wife. At the point, I was even suspecting you have an Achike disappearance. If not because you took the oath in the village and you were still here alive with us, I'm sure I would have joined them. It's not just the village people, it's the normal thing.
Sometimes when I listen to you talk, I wonder what my father saw in you that made him marry you in the first place. How could you even think of such a thing? What kind of person are you? Chiapa.
Uzo, you are here listening to Ogechi insult me and you did not say anything.
Well, you actually deserved what you got. How on earth could you, my wife, ever think that I have a hand in the death of my nephew? Oh, this is arrant nonsensical.
Okay, needless talking to you. Nabia, I will handle this one, that little rat, myself. Don't worry, wait for me. Listen to me and listen very good. I'm serving this to you as a warning. Let today be the very last time you insult me in this house. I am not your mate.
I am one person you cannot deceive. Do you think I didn't know all you were doing to that boy while he was here?
All I did was to make him useful.
Do you really have some gods and no conscience? How did you speak nonsense about a boy you practically frustrated to his death? How?
What are you saying?
Do you think I didn't know how you were shamelessly seducing and harassing him all over places?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Stepmom. I knew how you were sneaking into his room, begging him to make love to you. You told him that my father cannot satisfy your sexual needs. You practically frustrated that innocent boy to always be outside that led him to his untimely death.
You are only accusing me falsely. You don't have any proof to all that you just said. Do you understand?
You think I can't convince him? Watch me do it.
Please now, stop. Huh? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please don't tell your father. I don't know what came over me. I don't know what came over me. I've been feeling so guilty since all this happened. Please, Oge. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry. And I promise to be a good wife to your father. Please don't tell your father. Oge, please. Please, Oge. Please.
That is your problem. and let that guilt strangle you. Now get your shameless self out of my way. Let me go mourn my dear cousin in peace.
Okay, please now. Please now, okay. What kind of temptation is this? I'm tired of this whole thing. I'm trying to deal with one. Another one is by the corner. What is this? And this stupid guy cannot just understand. What is this now?
let us conduct ourselves in our human life so that we don't lose another life. Eh? Thank you very much.
Your son is here. I am alive, Mama. I am not dead. I'm not dead, Mama.
I'm alive, Mama.
I am alive.
You are alive.
I am alive, Mama. I am alive.
You are alive.
It is me, Mama. It is me.
It's true.
It is me. It is me. I am alive.
So there's
I'm
no
not
difference
dead.
with you for money ritual.
I am alive, Mama. I am here. He did not. I am here, Mama. Yes, Mama. It is me, Mama.
Achike is alive, oh.
Mama.
I don't even know where to start. Oh, God.
Hello, good day.
Hi, good afternoon. Please, Do you know where I can get a vulcanizer? I have a flat tire.
The tire is flat.
Yes.
No problem, don't worry. I can help you do it.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God, thank you very much.
No problem. Where is your spare tire?
That's the problem. I don't have a spare tire.
No spare tire? Eh?
Yes.
Okay, it's to remove it and go and pump it now.
You can do that?
Where is your jack? You have jack?
Yes. It's in the trunk of my car. Yeah, I'm coming.
Wow, you're welcome to my house.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I thought I'll never see you again.
Well, I'm on my way to the market. So I said, let me keep to my word by coming to say hi briefly.
Do grown-up men still go to the market?
Well, I just came from the village and I'm staying with my uncle. His wife requested I go to the market for her. I don't have option.
Okay, that's okay. Just give me the list. Don't worry, never mind. I'll help you do it. I'll send someone, okay?
Really?
Yes, just make yourself comfortable. Relax. Make yourself comfortable. You have a great business idea. Don't worry, I'll talk to my father to give you all the money you need.
I will be very, very grateful if this happens.
I'll do anything for you. You know, from the very first day I set my eyes on you, I fell in love with you.
I think I love you too.
Don't worry, I'll do everything possible to make sure you're a rich man. All I want you to do for me is just stay with me.
I will, baby. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sorry, excuse me. Hello. Oh, she's here. I'm coming out. Yeah. Yeah.
Must you go today?
Yes. My father needs me for an urgent family deliberation.
And when are you coming back?
I don't know yet. But you can come with me. I'm sure he might give you the money you will use for your business.
Yeah.
Yes.
Will he be able to give it to me immediately?
As long as your intention towards me are genuine.
Of course they are. They are.
In that case, let's get going.
But I have not told my family and I don't have another change of clothes here with me.
Listen, you don't need to tell them anything. All you need to do is come with me, then come back as a big man, as a rich guy. As for your clothes, I'll take you to the boutique, you pick up anything you want.
Okay, but at least let me drop this fuel at our gate when we're passing.
Sadly, we don't have that time. Please, I need to get something inside.
Okay, what about the fuel now? What do I do with it?
Just keep it in the gen house, please.
I think I found someone I love. it's right time. I'm falling in love. Beautiful baby, I'm falling for you. I think I'm falling in love with you, baby. Oh yeah. Anything you want me to do for you, oh no, I can do anything for you, my baby. Oh yeah. I'm swimming side of the ocean now. Oh no, God and butter my brain. Oh, I'll be there for you. I promise to do anything. I will be there for you. I will love you forever.
Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
The reason I called you here is that I want to know your intentions concerning my daughter.
Sir, sir, I love her and I want to make her my wife. Yes, sir.
You love her?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you won't get up one morning and dump her?
No, sir.
After getting what you want?
No, sir. No, sir. I really love her, sir. And I want to spend the rest of my life with her, your daughter, sir.
That's beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Well, don't get me wrong. I'm only trying to avoid a reputation of what happened in the past, where men would take her money and dump her.
No, sir. Sir, I love her. I really do. And I promise you to love her unconditionally. Always. Always.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
My daughter told me that you needed some money to start up something.
Yes, sir. That's very true, sir.
Consider it done.
Sir?
Consider it done.
Just like that, sir?
Yes. I'm Mr. Mike. I play with cash.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, I did too much. I did too much, sir. Thank you very much.
It's all right.
God bless you, sir.
And bless you.
I'm very grateful, sir.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
It's
Enjoy
okay,
your
sir.
drink.
Thank you, sir.
Baby, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm very okay.
I go back to bed. Please just go back to bed. Baby. Baby, are you okay? Why are you packing your things?
You are asking me if I'm okay, why I'm packing. I cannot stay here anymore. I cannot stay.
Why? Did I do anything wrong?
Did you do anything wrong? Your family, your whole family, act strange. I don't understand anymore. I don't understand. See, I cannot stay here again. Me, I am going. Oh?
Baby, calm down. What about the money my father is supposed to give you?
I'm no longer interested in it. Oh. I don't want it. I don't want.
You could have sex if you want.
I'm no longer interested in it. I'm not doing again. Please, it's okay.
Vivi, you don't... I thought you said we have a future together.
That one cannot happen again. It cannot happen again. Okay? I don't want. I'm not interested. I cannot stay here again. See, come and tell them to open the gate for me because I can find my way out. Oh? Akuinu go. Biko.
If that's what you want.
I can no longer stay with your family. I can no longer do anything. I'm not interested.
It's okay, it's okay. Don't bother stressing yourself, else you will hurt yourself the more. Victoria.
Yes, Dad.
Make sure you give him food.
Okay, Dad.
Help me! Help me! Oh! They want to kill me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
They want to kill me, please! Somebody help! I'm dying, please!
Come on, let's shout. Are you tired? Listen. If you shout from now till tomorrow, no one will hear you. Stop.
What do you people want to do with me, sir? What do you people want to do with me? That's why I heard female voices here last night. What happened to them? Evil people.
Listen, I am not here to answer your questions. I'm here to feed you so that you can have strength for what is coming.
I don't want your cost food. Keep your food. I don't want it. Just release me now or else.
Else what? You know what? Do your wish. For the records, you're going to be here till we're ready for you. For now, I just want you to eat, and that is what you must do.
I don't want your food. I'm not eating your food. Keep your food.
Suit yourself. You can die here if you wish. Rubbish.
Now listen to me, everyone. Tonight, we are going to kill Achike. Our partners seem very much interested in him because he is the best we have had in a while. Good job, Victoria.
Thank you very much, sir.
Tony.
Boss.
Payment has been made for the last delivery. Wow. So everyone, expect your pay by tomorrow. Any question?
No, not at all, boss.
No, boss.
Victoria Sunday, please. I need a very clean job.
Okay, boss.
Very clean job. No excuses.
Okay, sir. Sunday. Please, can I have a few minutes? I need to speak to him in private.
Few minutes.
I know you'll be wondering who we are. I mean, my family and I. We're just a business cartel that deals in human parts, especially for the highest bidder. For the family unit, that's just a decoy to deceive gullible people like you. You know, when I first saw you, I knew you were desperate. You needed little conviction. I'm glad you fell for it. Because you just assured me millions in my account. Whenever we have a deal like this, 30% goes to the boss. 20% goes to the boss lady. 30% goes to who makes the delivery. Then the remaining 20 for the member of the team. Oh my God. I know you've been wondering why Sunday is like that. He doesn't smile nor talk. That is because Sunday, it's our hate man. And soon, he will be coming to take off your body parts for sale. I know you don't like me. The feeling is mutual anyway. I don't like you too. It was nice having you around. I enjoyed the ride.
Tony, where are you? Tony. Tony, did you see anybody?
Give me that key now. Give me that key now. I said, give me that key now. I don't want to hurt you. Give me that key. Let me go.
Some people are dangerous because of money. Oh, man, sons are evil. Some people are dangerous because of money. Some people are dangerous because of money. Oh, man, sons are evil. Some people are dangerous because of money. Human sons are evil. Some people are dangerous because of money.
Ibrahim! Who be that? Who they calling me? Why can kill an name? Oga, no day, you just they calling me like you say you want polite. I don't like this kind of thing. Who be that? Atiki! Atiki! Like that. Rasulullah Muhammadu Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi Allah ka dauke raina Allah dan Allah ba ni ba Allah dan Allah na roke ka Allah ka kashe ni huta Allah ka kashe ni huta wayo kana qalu la ilaha illallah Muhammadu Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam qalu inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un qalu inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un
I need to talk to you. Look me, let me follow you talk, Ibrahim. I never died. I did alive. Now you touch me. I am alive. I am not dead.
Achike.
Where is everybody? What is happening?
Achike.
It's me.
Achike.
It's me, Ibrahim.
Achike, you don't know say everybody they don't go village bury you today.
They don't go village go bury me. Ibrahim, I beg. As I did, so I just need to change clothes and small money. Make I begin the road.
That will not be problem. But wait, why? I don't wash my clothes. You go pee where this one.
Ibrahim, give me. Bring it. Take. Easy, boss. Thank you.
Where on this pass? Wait. You go like that to make a wait.
I beg, I figure small money. Make I just.
Okay.
Thank you, Ibrahim. Thank you.
Do before them go bury you. Do.
Human sons are evil. Oh, yeah. Some people are dangerous because of money. Oh, human sons are evil. Oh, some people are dangerous because of money. This life is full of mystery. It's like a rainfall, it's like a wind blowing. It can set you up apart. Oh no, yeah. Anywhere you they go, take life easy, slow. Look bother your life with God. Just look before you leave. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. This life is just like a mirror around you. All the dictators is not good. Some people are not what you think they are. Oh yeah. Some people are dogs in the manger. Some people are not what you think they are. Be careful who you fall in love with. Yeah, be careful who you give your heart to. Oh This life is full of mystery. It's like a rainfall, it's like a wind blowing. It can set you up apart. Oh no, yeah. Anywhere you they go, take life easy, slow. Look bother your life with God. Just look before you leave. Oh yeah. Just look before